guys, I want to show you my 2021 Lowrider S. Then I'm gonna go over my 2014 Kawasaki. So we'll start with the Lowrider S right here. So this is my 2021 114. Did the fairing, hand guards, did some slip-ons out of that saddleman seat. Diamond stitching. Got rid of that foam insert in here, and it's all gel. So whoever's sitting back there is gonna like it. A little bit small, but no room for fat chicks. So we'll see how it goes. I gotta take her in. Got a couple codes on here. I'm working on it myself. 2014 Kawasaki KLX. Runs great. Runs like a fucking dream. So we got new tires coming in for her tomorrow. I'll do the install, and then tomorrow we're taking her in, most likely taking her in to get those codes cleared. And I think there was an ABS issue, but it was all from the harness. So I'm gonna start making videos. Hopefully I can get this YouTube world a little bit more help and info on bikes, cars, trucks. So I'll start doing more reviews on the bikes. I got a few vehicles that I'm gonna do reviews on, and tool reviews. So hopefully I can get everything situated, and in time these videos will be a lot better. So check me out.